Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the Samsung Galaxy A35 is ready to become a tough competitor in the middle class smartphones with advantages in camera specifications. First rumors about the Samsung Galaxy A35 are decent cameras coming to the budget phones. Last week we received a portion of the information about the older Galaxy A55 smartphone. And now it's the turn of his younger brother, the Galaxy A35 phone. The Samsung Galaxy A35, referred to as a mid-ranger cell phone, will be the successor to the Samsung Galaxy A34. With significant improvements to the camera, Samsung is sharpening its camera game for all its upcoming mid-range phones, keeping pace with the changing consumer expectations. For quite a long time, Samsung's mid-range Galaxy A series has always used a 48 or 64 megapixel main camera sensor. However, this time it changes with the Galaxy A35 bringing a 50 megapixel sensor last year, leaving the Galaxy A34 with the older 48 megapixel sensor. Samsung has marked 2024 as the time to bring forward their mid-range devices like the Galaxy A35, which will most likely be released in the spring. The phone will remain somewhere between the pocket-friendly Galaxy A15 and the more advanced Galaxy A55. Meanwhile, the front camera still has a resolution of 13 megapixel, following the specifications of the Galaxy A34. While the hardware remains unchanged, a software update is coming soon, aimed at improving the selfie photo experience. The Galaxy A30 series is often considered a more affordable version of the Galaxy A50 lineup, especially in terms of camera quality, with the Galaxy A35 filling the pixel gap thanks to its new 50 megapixel sensor. The gap between two series will shrink significantly next year. According to the latest news, Samsung fans may have to wait until spring 2024 to see the debut of the Galaxy A35 phone. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A34 continues to maintain its position in the middle class in Samsung's product line. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace.